हेलो एवरीवन, आई एम डॉक्टर अनु वर्किंग एज अ साइकियाट्रिस्ट इन तुलसी हेल्थ केयर। इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे नार्सिसिस्टिक पर्सनालिटी डिसऑर्डर के बारे में। सो टू स्टार्ट, बिफोर वी स्टार्ट एंड वी गो टू पर्सनालिटी डिसऑर्डर, विल फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड कि नार्सिसिज्म का मतलब क्या होता है। सो दिस वर्ड, आई विल टेल यू अ वेरी शॉर्ट स्टोरी. दिस वर्ड इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द वर्ड नार्सिसस. सो ये एक ग्रीक माइथोलॉजिकल स्टोरी है जिसमें एक यंग मेल होता है, नार्सिसिस्ट. He is in a jungle, he is roaming around, he's in a forest, and he starts feeling thirsty. So it's a very long story, but I'm going to tell you the main part only. He feels thirsty, he goes to near a pond and he lies down, और वो अपने पानी लेने के लिए झुकता है. The moment he leans forward, वो अपना रिफ्लेक्शन पानी में देखता है. The moment he sees his reflection in the water, he just suddenly falls in love with himself, with that reflection. Now at that moment probably he was not very sure of कि ये कौन है, so he tries to catch that image because he's so much in love with that particular image. So he tries to catch that image. Now the moment वो पानी में हाथ डालता है, that image gets blurred. Then he feels very bad about it कि वो उस चीज को हाथ नहीं लगा पा रहा है, पकड़ नहीं पा रहा है. He is not able to grab onto that image. So he starts crying. The moment he starts crying, the teardrops they fall in the pond and again वो image blur हो जाती है. Then he realizes that it is his own reflection in the pond which is making him fall in love with himself. Now he is so much in love with himself that in that moment he stops doing anything and everything. He stops eating, he just does not move from that position. He stays in that position for days and days to come. धीरे धीरे करके his body starts withering away, he goes into starvation and ultimately he dies. So that is the story behind Narcissus, कि वो इतना ज़्यादा अपने आप को प्यार करता था that he ultimately dies for himself, for the love of his own image, just to constantly look at that image. So that is the derivation of the word narcissist from Narcissus. So I think थोड़ा कुछ आइडिया मिला होगा आपको कि नार्सिसिस्टिक पर्सनालिटी किस तरीके की पर्सनालिटी हो सकती है. When we talk about personalities per se, so it's not something that just comes up in a day or two. This is something that exists from the very childhood. जब बच्चा पैदा होता है, धीरे धीरे करके ग्रो कर रहा है, इन द डेवलपमेंटल एज ऑल्सो यू विल सी दीज, जो हम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स के बारे में बात करेंगे, वो सारे कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आपको बचपन से ही दिखाई देते हैं. बट एज द चाइल्ड और एज द पर्सन ग्रोज older, goes into adolescent phase and they go into the young adulthood phase, that is the time when these things become so prominent that they start becoming problematic for the person and for the people living around them. Now what are these things? The core features जो हम बात करते हैं, the main core feature is the grandiosity. ग्रैंडियोसिटी का मीनिंग है कि वो अपने आप को इतना ज़्यादा बड़ा मानते हैं, इतना ज़्यादा बेहतर मानते हैं अपने आसपास के लोगों से, दैट एनीबडी एंड एवरीबडी अराउंड देम इज जस्ट टू इन्फीरियर. They find themselves and they feel that they are the most superior people, they are the most superior person in the world. And कोई उनके जितना लेवल का नहीं है या कोई उनसे compete नहीं कर सकता है. They constantly want you to validate them, they constantly want praise from people around them, and if you do not do it, they might not really like you. They might end up having fight with you, they might end up having bad relationship with you, और शायद फिर वो आपसे कभी बात भी ना करें. Because they have this sense of superiority, they have this feeling कि एक सुपीरियर इंसान या फिर एक हाई स्टेटस वाला इंसान ही उनकी बातों को समझ सकता है और उनसे बात कर सकता है, या एक हाई स्टेटस का कोई इंस्टीट्यूशन ही उनके साथ उनकी बातों को या उस इंसान को समझ सकता है. सो अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स यू माइट सी दैट if I give an example of a person going to a doctor only, maybe चाहे शायद फीवर के लिए, कोल्ड के लिए, whatever be the reason जिसके लिए उन्हें एक डॉक्टर को विजिट करना है, so they will go and they will ask about the qualification of the doctor. Okay, so if the person is qualified, for how many years has the person is how much experience does the person hold? Okay, if he is experienced, from which college he has done his degrees from, इनका क्या rating है, like they will, you know, they need a confirmation कि मैं जैसे आदमी से बात कर रहा हूँ, that person needs to have a high status. If that person does not have a high status, वो person मेरे लायक ही नहीं है कि मैं उसके साथ में अपना time invest करूँ, चाहे वो मेरे फायदे के लिए ही क्यों ना हो. They have a tendency to utilize or not utilize, but they have a tendency to use the people who are around them who might have some or the other power. They will take constant favors from those people, maybe उनके partner या other relationship, friends हो गए, who might be in a higher power. They will constantly take favors from them and they will consider कि ये favor उनको वापस करना ज़रूरी है because I am a very good person. So if a person refuses to give them any favor, they might not like it and they might bash. They might just lose their mind and they'll be like, this person doesn't really understand. I have done so many things for this person and ये तो मेरे लिए इतनी छोटी सी चीज़ भी नहीं कर सकता है. So they constantly fantasize about unlimited power, success, unlimited beauty or brilliance, and they will be like कि हाँ मैं इस तरीके का इंसान और बनूंगा, अभी मेरे पास इतना है. They are constantly boastful about themselves. So आज मेरे पास 1 करोड़ रुपए हैं, तो within 2 years I'll be, you know, my turnover will be 10 crores and I'll go from this level to this level in just no time because I am a unique person. I have special abilities, I have special powers, I can charm anybody. I'm the most unique person in the whole world and मेरी uniqueness किसी के साथ में comparable नहीं है. And being unique, I need only unique people around me. If there are not, the person around me is not unique, probably I do not want to spend my time and energy talking to them only. They have this sense of entitlement कि मैंने अगर कुछ बोल दिया, that thing needs to be automatically done by people around me because again I am unique and I am the most capable person in the whole world. They do not have any empathy, so they might when the person, you know, they come and they tell कि यार आपकी तुम्हारी बात से मुझे ये चीज़ खराब लग गई है, या फिर you know maybe the way you behaved with my parents or with my family was not really right and you should not have done this. They do not and they cannot just take those criticisms, and they cannot empathize with other people. If a person around them is crying, they don't really care. They don't want to invest their energy into that. They have this arrogance and attitude that, you know, मुझे बात ही नहीं करनी है. If you do not give me any returns, I will not really invest. Again, I will not invest my time and energy into that thing. They are constantly envious of other people, and they will project it in a way that other people are envious of my achievements and my sense of my success. So that's why they have a lot of interpersonal issues. They might be able to start a relationship because they have this charming personality, but eventually as the person gets closer to him or her, they start becoming, you know, there are a lot of issues that come in because of all the things that we have already discussed. So narcissistic personality disorder might not have, a person with narcissistic personality disorder might not have all the things that I have listed, but कुछ ना कुछ इस तरीके के behaviors definitely रहते हैं जिसकी वजह से उनके life becomes more difficult as they have a lot of superiority complex that we may say, because उनके बहुत सारे mood fluctuations होते हैं and because a lot of times the reality will strike, कहीं ना कहीं आपको वो inferiority complex भी दिखाई देता है जिसकी वजह से, you know, they might suffer from a lot of comorbid psychiatric conditions. They might suffer from anxiety, depression, or substance use is very common in these people because जो एक ideal self और जो real self है, they are constantly in conflict with each other. So they may develop all these psychiatric illnesses as well, and they might reach out to mental health professionals for those problems. So that is a little bit about narcissistic personality disorder. Usually हम देखते हैं कि it is more common in males. The prevalence, if we talk about, is around 6%, जिसमें से 75% are males. So it is definitely more common in males, and that's why probably story, जो mythological story है, that also indicates the protagonist is the male. So I hope this video helps you understand a little bit about narcissistic personality disorder. In case you feel that maybe somebody might be suffering from this, or if you think that you yourself have some or the other traits or disorder per se, then and you think that maybe you need some help, you can contact us. Thank you.